Today I'm going to be testing out this 3M Headlight Restoration Kit on a Acura TL headlight. Here's a close-up of the lens to see how faded it is. This kit includes 1 disc pad holder, 10 sanding discs, 1 refining disc, 1 package of 3M rubbing compound, and 1 compound pad. You need to supply a household drill, some masking tape, and a microfiber cloth. I'm going to go ahead and open this package and show you the contents. This is the contents of the package. Here are the 6 P500 sanding discs, 4 P800 white finishing discs, the 1 3000 Trizact gray finishing disc, 1 disc pad holder, 1 compound pad, and 1 package of rubbing compound. And then here is the instructions for the set. Before I begin, I'm going to get some tape and mask off half of the lens so that we have a clear before and after result of this kit. Here are the instructions for the kit that I will be following. The first step is to place the sanding disc into your drill. And then once that's attached, then you want to attach one of the P500 sanding discs to this sanding pad. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and start sanding the light. The instructions say not to stay in one place for too long and to not move in an erratic pattern. We want to go left and right and up and down in a slow, consistent pattern. Once the lens has a white, evenly sanded surface that appears to look frosted, if any portion of the lens looks clear or glossy, continue sanding before moving to the next step. Now that the lens has a consistent frosty look, we're going to move on to the next sanding pad. We're going to switch from the brown P500 to the white P800 disc. Like the first step, we're going to move left and right, up and down in slow, consistent motions. Now that the majority of the sanding marks from the P500 disc are gone, now we have smaller sanding marks from the white sanding disc. We're going to switch over to the final P3000 disc. Just as in the previous two steps, we're going to run this sanding disc over the lens several times in order to remove as many of the sanding marks as we can. After making several passes over the lens with the P3000 disc, we can see that the lens is cleared up quite a bit. Next, we need to remove the P3000 disc and replace it with the compound pad. Next, we want to apply a dime-sized portion of the rubbing compound to the pad. Once it's applied to the pad, then you want to go ahead and dab it and smear it across your headlight. If your lens and pad starts to get dry, go ahead and apply a little bit more compound to the pad. Now I'm going to take a microfiber cloth and finish wiping down the lens. Now that the compounding step is complete, I'm going to remove the blue tape to see how this looks before and after. Now that the tape has been removed, you should be able to see a clear line of the before and after from this kit. I will go ahead and zoom in and get you a closer view now. here are the results after doing the full headlight with this kit. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.